Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, here you can see I have got good results from Adsterra platform. Adsterra is best popular platform. Guys, if you do not have any kind of skills and experience, then don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share with you best method to get some interesting results from Adsterra platform. I'm going to share with you step by step. You can watch this full video. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on Google and you can search your blogger. You can click here to open this URL. You will then come to this page. Guys, Blogger provides free hosting and free domain. You can click on create your blog button. First of all, you will have to sign in. You can sign in with your email address and password. In next step, you can type here your blog title. Now you can click on next button. You can type your blog address. You can type your unique blog address. Now you can click on save button. You can click on theme. You can click on this icon. Now you can click on this button. You can click on this button. Now click on edit HTML button. Guys, you can remove all of this HTML code. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can go on DeepSeek platform. You can create account on this platform. You can type your prompt. Guys, you can use this platform to build paint application, game application, any kind of tools application. You can simply type your prompt. You can type for this kind of simple prompt. You can click on this button. Guys, it will take some time to generate HTML code for paint application. You can generate HTML code for any kind of game application, any kind of tools application. You can make image resizer application, image editing application, voice recorder, funny jokes application. You can generate HTML code for any kind of application. Guys, here you can see DeepSeek platform has generated HTML code for paint application. Click here to run this HTML code. Guys, here you can see paint application. You can draw a line, you can draw a rectangle, you can draw a circle. You can click here to delete everything. Guys, you can see DeepSeek platform has made great paint application. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can monetize this paint application using Adsterra platform. First of all, you can go on Blogger, click on view blog button. Guys, here is showing URL of this blog. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on Adsterra platform. You can click on add website button. You can type your website URL. Now you can select your category. You can select your category according to your blog. Now you can choose your ad format. You can monetize your paint application with banner ads or pop under ads. You can select your banner size. You can click on add button. Now click on got it button. Guys, you need to wait some time. You can see it's showing in pending. You need to wait some time. You need to wait at least 3 minutes. After waiting some time, you can refresh this page. Guys, here you can see this website is active. Here you can see pop under ads is active. Banner ads is active. You can click on get code button. Here is showing code of pop under ads. Click on copy code button. Now you can go on DeepSeek platform. You can type your prompt. You can type your grade. Now monetize this app with pop under ads. Here is code. You can paste your code from Adsterra platform. You can type here. Also add banner ads below of paint app. Here is code. You can paste your banner ads code. You can go on Adsterra platform. You can scroll down. Here is banner ads. You can click on get code button. You can click here to copy this code. Now you can go on DeepSeek platform. You can paste your code. You can type your ratio. Now you can click on this button. Guys, you need to wait some time. Guys, here is showing updated HTML code of paint application. You can click on run button. Here is showing application. You can scroll down. Guys, here is showing banner ads. If you will click here, then pop under ads will be displayed. Now in next step what you will have to do is, you can click here to copy this HTML code. Now you can go on Blogger website. You can click on edit HTML button. You can remove all of this HTML code. You can paste your HTML code of Paint application. Now you can click on save button. Yeah, here we go. You can click here to go back. Now you can click on view blog button. Guys, you can see this blog is looking great. Here is showing banner ads. I'm going to remove this navigation bar. Go on Blogger, click here, click on this button. Now you can select off option. Click on save button. Now go on this website. You can refresh this page. Yeah, here we go. Now it's looking great. If you will click anywhere on this page, then pop under ads will be displayed. You can scroll down. Here is showing banner ads from Adsterra platform. Guys, Adsterra is displaying advertisement on this website. For that advertisement, Adsterra may credit your account. Guys, you can share your website on all social media platforms to get lots of users. You can share this website on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms. So guys, you can use this method to get good results from Adsterra platform. Adsterra is best popular platform. You can use this method to create website. You can use Adsterra platform to monetize your website. If you want to learn about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.